Hello and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a stylish and protective hairstyle? Look no further than all back stitch braids. This versatile and trendy style offers endless possibility for self-expression. Today, we are diving into 40 stunning ideas to inspire your next look. Let's start with the timeless classics. These sleek, straight back braids are perfect for any occasion. You can customize them by adjusting the size and pattern of the braids. Add a touch of creativity to your all-back stitch braids with intricate patterns. Whether you prefer a subtle design or a bold statement, there is a style for everyone. Elevate your all-back stitch braids with stylish accessories, from delicate beads to bold cuffs. These accents can add a touch of glamour and personality to your look. Why stop at loose braids? Create stunning updos by twisting and pinning your all-back stitch braids. These styles are perfect for formal events or everyday wear. Inject a dose of color into your all-back stitch braids with vibrant extensions or highlights. Whether you prefer a subtle ombre or a bold block color, the possibilities are endless. With so many stunning options to choose from, you are sure to find the perfect all-back stitch braid style in this video to suit your personal taste. Remember, the key to a great hairstyle is confidence. So embrace your individuality and rock your braids with pride. Make sure you watch this video till the end to see all our all-back stitch braid ideas and inspiration you can try this season. See you at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video for more hair inspiration and ideas. Until next time, bye.